Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to blog with ChatGPT for free and easy. In order to use ChatGPT for your blogging, you will need to set up a free account with OpenAI and obtain an API key. This procedure only requires a few steps and is rather straightforward. Go to the OpenAI website first, and then click Sign Up in the top right corner of the page. You will then be taken to the account registration page, where you must fill out the required information, email address, password, and acceptance of the terms of service. The account dashboard will be displayed after you have finished the registration form. You can use this page to access a variety of tools and services made available by OpenAI, such as the ChatGPT API. Click the Generate API Key button after selecting the API Keys tab on the dashboard to get an API key. Your new API key will be generated as a result, and you can use it to access ChatGPT and other OpenAI API services. Your ChatGPT account and all associated data can be accessed with your API key, thus it's crucial to keep it safe. Don't share it with anyone and make sure to keep it in a secure location. Choosing a blogging platform that supports ChatGPT integration. There are numerous available blogging platforms, each with a unique set of features and functionalities. Look for a platform that allows for simple customization when selecting one for your ChatGPT-powered blog. WordPress and Blogger are two of the most well-liked platforms for integrating ChatGPT. Even for beginners, both of these platforms are comparatively simple to use and provide a large variety of customization choices. WordPress is a self-hosted platform, therefore in order to use it, you'll need to get your own domain name and hosting package. Compared to some other solutions, this one can be slightly more expensive, but it also allows you more control over your blog and the flexibility to use custom plugins and themes. On the other hand, Google owns the free cloud-based platform Blogger. It offers a large selection of themes and customization possibilities and is simple to set up and use. Regarding the kinds of plugins and themes you can use, it might not be as flexible as WordPress. How to add the ChatGPT plugin or widget to your blog platform. Installing the ChatGPT plugin or widget on your blog is the next step after selecting your blogging platform and creating your ChatGPT API key. You can look for the ChatGPT plugin in the plugin repository if you're using WordPress and install it straight from your dashboard. As an alternative, you can manually upload the plugin to your WordPress website after downloading it from the OpenAI website. You must include the ChatGPT widget in your blog template if you are using Blogger. To do this, navigate to the Layout area of your Blogger dashboard, click Add a Gadget, and then pick HTML/JavaScript. Here, you can modify the ChatGPT widget's look and behavior by pasting in the appropriate code. Adding your ChatGPT API key to the plugin or widget configuration. The next step is to configure the ChatGPT plugin or widget with your API key after you've installed it on your blog. By doing this, you'll give the plugin or widget access to your account information and the ChatGPT API. You must input the key into the proper field in the plugin or widget settings in order to configure the ChatGPT plugin or widget with your API key. This field is often located in the plugin settings page in WordPress, which is reachable via the plugins menu in your dashboard. Find a field with a title like API key or something similar, and enter your ChatGPT API key there. Similar steps are taken in Blogger. Click the ChatGPT widget to access its settings in the layout part of your dashboard, and then look for a field to add your API key. Make sure to save your modifications after entering your API key. This will enable communication with the ChatGPT API and turn on the ChatGPT plugin or widget. Getting started with ChatGPT, you are now prepared to begin blogging with ChatGPT after setting up your ChatGPT account, deciding on a blogging platform, installing the ChatGPT plugin or widget, and configuring it with your API key. Simply launch the ChatGPT interface in your blogging platform and start entering or copying your material there to get started. Based on the text you have entered, ChatGPT will utilize its artificial intelligence capabilities to offer ideas and information for you to include in your blog post. These ideas can either be used as a springboard for your own ideas or as a way to refine and develop them. Don't forget to reference any sources you utilize, as well as to add any appropriate disclaimers or legal notices. Overall, using ChatGPT for blogging is a fun and simple method to come up with new ideas and content for your blog. You can quickly and easily set up ChatGPT for your blogging needs by following the steps indicated above. I hope this video was helpful in any way. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.